What are you doing? Are you trying to bury it? Aww. I've been dealing with white stuff coming out of his rear end for about the day now, the whole day. And at first it was like these little white things. So he went to the bathroom, and before he had a chance to bury it, I scooped it in a bag with the pooper scooper, which he's very upset about. He's trying to bury it because he can smell it, which is so cute. But yeah, I was told that when, animals have worms, you gotta inspect their poop, and I put it in a bag. I was hoping maybe I could see, for myself if he had something. Champ, honey, you can't bury it. Not yet. Champ, oh, buddy. Oh, it's so cute. I will take care of it. Mama's not mad. So it looks like there's a whole bunch right there. And then it looks like some right there. I don't know what kind of worms they are. I'm not familiar with, animals and worms. I know that this is absolutely disgusting. The idea that this is living in my animal. Champ. Oh, Champ. Hey. You okay? Oh, I know. Jeez, there must be hundreds. This is the most disgustingest thing and saddest thing ever. And what's sad is my cat. It's driving him crazy. Champ! 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 Hey! Are you gonna bury me into your poop? They're still coming out. Oh, Champ. I've never seen a cat try so hard to bury something. Well, I'm gonna get going because I need to take care of this. I'm not gonna make him suffer anymore. Trying to bury his poop. Can you guys tell me what this is? They're not tapeworms because you know what? I don't know what kind of worms, honestly. Just when I think about, worms and an animal, I guess I've always thought of them big old ones that wrap around, your heart and are very dangerous to the animal. but I don't know if these are dangerous to the animal or if it's something that will go away on its own. Maybe it ate something it shouldn't have. Is it dangerous to my children? I'm sure there's somebody out there that has some of the answers that I need. So please comment below. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.